I chose the Masters in Creative Practice at ATU because I was looking for a space where I could explore my creative practice in depth. I felt the course at ATU offered a good mix of self-directed learning and practice-based research. It gave me a lot of new skills, and like everything in life, sometimes it was tricky to balance your personal commitments and study, but my supervisors were very supportive the whole way through, and that, coupled with the technical team here at ATU, it was invaluable support. My interest in ruins and derelict buildings led on to an interest in liminal spaces, and then in January of my time at the course, my father suddenly passed away, so I found myself in my own liminal space of sorts. So my final project was titled The Space Between, and it was a multi-sensory installation with light and sound being centric elements. It explored the concept of liminal space, specifically how psychological experiences of transition, particularly through loss and grief, can be expressed as a physical space. I had lots of support, especially from the technical team at ATU, because my installation was using sound, light, things that I'd never really used before. So the technical team at ATU were invaluable in that respect. This course transformed my creative practice. It pushed me to be more reflective and to back up my creative practice with solid research and critical thought. It also made me more confident in experimenting with different media. So what I'd say to anyone who's thinking about coming to ATU to do this course is to just go for it. Fully embrace your creativity and just jump in, and there's a great community here to support you.